Eggs. While Sally makes scrambled eggs, I'm gonna have me a hot milk tea. Ooh, that was good, Sally.
You don't get any.
Well, I know I don't get any.
You have it with breakfast.
At the recent affiliate summit that happened a couple of weeks ago, during the HostGator EIG Top Golf Party, I won this Sonos home theater sound system. At first, I thought it was just a big speaker to using Bluetooth to connect to my computer and stuff so I could play music. But it turns out this is also understands voice because it's Amazon Alexa. So it's basically an Amazon Alexa, and that means I can use it to automate my house and basically say stuff like, Alexa, what time is it? And so instead of looking at my computer to see what time it is, I could just ask this thing and it's supposed to tell me. So let's unbox it. Yeah. Let's see what this is. Yeah, this will be kind of cool, I guess. Let's see. Aha! So we have here I'm going to assume this is the owner's manual and stuff. Yeah. You have to get the app, so it comes with an app, okay? And alright, that's that. And it looks like recycled cardboard. Very nice. Recycle. And oh, this is a speaker. It's a lot smaller than I thought. Big box. Actually, look at that. The picture is actually the real size of it. All right. Well, anything else in there? At the bottom. At the bottom we have a NIC cable. Go on my router. Okay. And the power cable. All right. So 3 simple items. That's it. So let's take a look here. I'll put these up to the side, and alright. Okay. Let's open that up. Oh well. So it's just not gonna be a clean unboxing. It's more like an unwrapping now. Alright. So okay, here it is. It's basically a black speaker. NIC cable goes in here. There's a power button, and on the back that's where it gets its power from. So it plugs in, and wall plug, NIC cable, power button, and then on top, at the top, I see play. I see some other stuff. I see the microphone that recognizes your voice. Otherwise than that, I guess that's it. And I suppose this is going to be controlled by an app. So I need to download the app, and then I'll set it up. I'll put this right next to the router. It's in this office, so it'll just sit. It's going to sit back here. So when I'm working, I could just go, Alexa, do I have any appointment? And it's going to say, no, you don't. You live the .com lifestyle. Cool. I did a little search, and it looks like, I believe it's $200 on Amazon. Let me check it here. I mean, since I'm an affiliate marketer, I'm going to find out how much this thing costs, and then I am going to put a link for the product, and then, if you want it, you can buy it, and I make a commission. Okay, that sounds great. Here it is. Yes, it is on Amazon, and it's $199 for the black one, and $198.49 for the white one. So you save yourself $1.50 if you want white instead of black. Anyway, I'll put the link below this video, and you can get it and be like John Chow. It's installing. It works! It's not English, but it works! Hey guys, how you doing? Oh, they think I have food, that's why they're screaming. No, I don't have food, I'm sorry. I just here to say bye-bye, okay? I'm going out now, have fun. Bye guys. Bye. I know, you think I have food, I don't have food. Sorry, Marshmallow. We're waiting at the longest red light in the world. I mean, I think we've been here 2 minutes, it hasn't changed yet. It's still red. Oh, Yeah, well, finally went green, but still waiting for us to go green so I can turn. Look, it's gone red, and we're still red. What's happening? I don't get it. I don't know. Maybe it's broken. What? What in the world? I mean, it just let the opposite opposing traffic go twice, and I'm still red. What? I don't. Come on. Do I have to go full? We'll go full a little bit now. I mean, like I said, I've been waiting here for 2 minutes already, and it's still waiting. Oh, there you go. Another green for people to go, but let's see if it actually lets me turn. Because if it doesn't let me turn, I'm just gonna go. This is ridiculous. Okay, now, come on. Let me go. Oh, it's gone red again. Look, it's going red. Is it gonna change that? If it lets the opposing traffic go again, it's letting opposing traffic go again. What in the world? What's happening? It's not letting us go. This is the dumbest red light in the world. And now we've been here almost 4 minutes. It's just sitting here. I mean, I'm sure the Tesla's heavy enough to trigger the light. It knows we're on this lane that's supposed to turn left. All right, let's see. One more time. If it doesn't let me go this time, I'm just going to go. Oh, finally. Wow. We made it. Amazing. Oh, my God. Okay, avoid that street at all costs. If you ever come to Irvine, don't go to that red light. You'll be stuck there for quite a while. That right there is branding. WFT, world famous taco. The guy's got his truck all skin and even the trailer all skin. Phone number, got a Yelp logo, Instagram, Facebook, and worldfamoustacos.com.
In 0.1 miles, you will reach your destination. Your destination, 2735 West Coast Highway, is on the right.
This got to be the shortest 0.1 mile in the world because we're here.
You have reached your destination.
Oh, look at this. Valet parking, yep. Valet parking is pretty much the standard Newport Beach. In fact, it is harder to find a restaurant without valet parking than it is to find one with valet parking. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Thank you.
Good.
I'm doing great myself.
Perfect. And your name?
John.
Thank you. When you're ready, return that ticket and we'll pull it right up.
Thank you. All right. See, Sally? You can't even park it yourself. It's valet parking only. Sally, look at that Pelican. See, this is how the restaurant got its name. The Rusty Pelican. Yeah, so, in case you're wondering, very, very imaginative, right? It's got a boat for an eye. That is so cool.
Did you have a name?
Yeah, John, for 6 people.
Perfect. I'll have you all checked in. I'll do this a few minutes and I can get you.
Thank you.
You said one kids menu?
Okay.
Oh wait, I am connected to Rusty Podcast. Yeah.
Did you log in?
Yes.
So you figure out the Wi-Fi password. So we're here at the Rusty Pelican here in Newport Beach. This restaurant is participating in the Newport Beach Restaurant Week. The Rusty Pelican is part of the Landry's Restaurant Group. Landry's is owned by, I think, it was founded by Mr. Tillerman. And you may know him from the reality show Billion Dollar Buyer. Yes, Mr. Tillerman owns the Landry Restaurant Group. And Rusty Pelican, which is only a single store, happens to be one of them. So he also owns Morton's in Chicago, Claim Jumper. I'm pretty sure the guy's a billionaire. But it's unusual because Landry buys restaurants ranging from big chains like Claim Jumpers and small independent restaurants like the Rusty Pelican. So this is the Restaurant Week menu, and a little bit of twist on marketing. When we first came here, they just gave us the regular menu and they omitted the Restaurant Week menu. I suppose unless you tell them you're here for Restaurant Week, they don't give you this menu. So a sneaky way for them to get more money out of you. So if you come here, make sure you ask for the Restaurant Week menu. The table next to us doesn't know it's Restaurant Week, so they're ordering from the regular menu. Yeah, that's what you get for not keeping up with what's happening in Newport Beach. The number of restaurants that Laundry owns is impressive. We got like Rainforest Cafe, Claim Jumpers, Blue Water Grill, Morton's of Chicago, Bubblegum Shrimp Company. Wow. The Rusty Pelican is located right on the waterfront in Newport Beach. So if you're sitting in the patio, you can look at all those multi-million-dollar boats outside. It's really, really beautiful here. I can only imagine the rent this place had to pay. I mean, if I were to take a guess, I would say probably $25,000 to $30,000 a month. But I'm pretty sure they do okay. All right, what is this, Sally? What you order?
Bread.
Cheesy bread, right? Oh, garlic cheese bread. Oh, this is so good. Yeah, okay, tear it up and give me a piece. Give everybody a piece. Tear it up. Oh, look at the oil dripping off of that thing. The calories on here. Crazy. Is it good, Sally? She loves it so much. Go for it, Lennon. Tear off a piece. You'll like it. It's really garlicky and cheesy. Interesting lighting. I got Landon's shadow. You can't see his face, which is good. Protect his identity. You like it? It's good, eh? Yeah, that's good. He's nodding, so he likes it. Out of 1 to 10, Sally gives the bread an 11. It's her favorite dish here. I think all you want is the bread to come here. Yeah. It is an 11. It's an 11, right, Sally? Yeah. It's good. So good. I should have requested dining on a patio. That looks really good. These are the 3 appetizers for Restaurant Week. This is the Ichiban skewer. It's a skewer of just fish. And this here is the shrimp. Butter shrimp with more of that bread. So I'm gonna take that. And lastly, this is the other famous dish is the calamari fritters. It's really, really good. The sauce and the outside is really nice and crunchy. Inside is so soft. My favorite dish. Good.
Very good, right?
Oh man. That is so good.
I got more bread.
Sally's got more bread. Okay, Landon. There's your pizza. Enjoy.
Very warm.
Alright. And hot French fry.
Yeah, that one's grilled and that one's orange glaze.
No, Sally's one's grilled. That's Sally's.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Here we go.
That's it.
Very warm.
Spicy orange ginger glazed mahi mahi. Simply grilled mahi mahi. So we got both versions. So we're gonna compare to see which one tastes better. And we also have a trout right here. Looks very, very nice. Looks like they split it open in half and flipped it open. Wow. That grilled perfectly. Really good.
We also doing all right? Everything tasting good?
Everything's doing great, thank you. Dessert is here. This is a chocolate tort. It's beautiful. Ice cream, chocolate fudge, and a brownie. Whoa, nice. Very nice. The other dessert is a cheesecake. New York cheesecake. I'm pretty sure Laundry either flies the cheesecake right from New York from one of the New York restaurants, or they make it all in-house. Probably make it all in-house. Wow. What a great way to end a lunch.
Landon.
Thank you very much. There is McLaren Newport Beach. Go ahead, Sally. You don't want a McLaren?